Designed exclusively for the Jeep Wrangler, TerraFlex 9550 vehicle-specific shocks feature a twin-tube design and are engineered for extreme off-road performance, all while retaining a smooth highway ride. Installation for the 9550 shocks is a very simple process, which can be done without removing the tires, although we do take them off for the sake of the video. Begin in the front, support the axle, and remove the factory shocks. Set the 9550 shock into place with the shaft up and attach the upper end using the factory hardware. Install the lower end, again using the factory hardware. To access the upper bolt on the rear shocks, remove the lower section of the rear fender liner. Support the rear axle and remove the rear shocks. Install the rear 9550 shock with the shaft up using the factory hardware. Reinstall the lower section of the fender liner.